Looks like we have about 9 3/4, 9.5. Our front bumper is about 6 3/4. What's going on today, guys? We're going ahead and unbox this exhaust for the 2019 Corolla Hatchback. We're going to get it all installed and we'll play some sound clips and show you how this sounds on the car. Wow, look at those burnt tips. All right, look at that. Looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and pull the exhaust off the car and get this one on. All right, got the exhaust out. Let's just go ahead and pull it on out. Need to pull this off of here. And now we're gonna go ahead and slide this one on in. All right, so we got that part in place. Alright guys, that ends this video on the APEXi exhaust for the 2019 Corolla. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.